హాయ్ టు ఎవరివన్. ఈరోజు వీడియోలో 5th క్లాస్ మ్యాథ్స్ మ్యాజిక్ వర్క్ బుక్ యూనిట్ నెంబర్ 1 టాపిక్ వచ్చేసరికి లెట్స్ రికాల్. ఇంతకుముందు పార్ట్ 1 ఇదే యూనిట్కి సంబంధించి 1 నుంచి 9 వరకు ఉన్నటువంటి వర్క్ షీట్ల గురించి ఇంతకుముందు వీడియోలో మనం డిస్కస్ చేసుకున్నాం. దాని కంటిన్యూషన్ పార్ట్ 2 వచ్చేసరికి ఈరోజు వీడియోలో మనం 10 నుంచి 18 వరకు ఉన్నటువంటి వర్క్ షీట్లు ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో వాటి గురించి మనం డిస్కస్ చేసుకుందాం. 3 నుంచి 5 తరగతుల వరకు అన్ని సబ్జెక్టులకి సంబంధించినటువంటి వర్క్ బుక్స్ ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో వాటికి సంబంధించినటువంటి వీడియోస్ కోసము, ఇంటర్మీడియట్ సెకండ్ ఇయర్ వరకు ఇంగ్లీష్ కంటెంట్ ఉన్నటువంటి వీడియోస్ కోసము, అట్లాగే టీచర్స్కి, స్టూడెంట్స్కి, ఎడ్యుకేషన్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్కి సంబంధించి లేటెస్ట్గా వచ్చే అన్ని రకాల అప్డేట్స్కి సంబంధించినటువంటి వీడియోస్ కోసము మన ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోవడం మాత్రం మర్చిపోవద్దు. అలాగే వీడియో కనుక నచ్చితే లైక్ చేయండి, మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్కి షేర్ చేయండి. ఇంకా ఆలస్యం చేయకుండా మనం వర్క్షీట్లోకి వెళ్ళిపోదాం. వర్క్షీట్ నెంబర్ 10, సబ్ టాపిక్ వర్టికల్ ఎడిషన్. Do the following addition: 2 plus 22 plus 485, 509, 8 plus 88 plus 888 plus 8888, 9872, 7869, 346, 25, 7, total 8247, 8020, 409, 28, 7, total 8464, 3 plus 33 plus 375, 411, 4 plus 44 plus 444 plus 4444, total 4936, 6459 plus 536 plus 64 plus 9, 7068, 6235, 308, 18 plus 9, 6570. Write some more additions for the given numbers. One is already done for us. 10, 7 plus 3, 9 plus 1, 10, 5 plus 5, 10, 1 plus 9, 10, 2 plus 8, 10, 6 plus 4, 10. Next one, 30, already one is done for us. 15 plus 15, 10 plus 20, 30, 5 plus 25, 30, 12 plus 18, 30, 14 plus 16, 30, 19 plus 11, 30. Next 150, 75 plus 75, 150, 40 plus 110, 150, 70 plus 80, 150, 60 plus 90, 150, 100 plus 50, 150, 20 plus 130, 150, and the next number 200, 100 plus 100, 200, 40 plus 160, 200, 70 plus 130, 200, 50 plus 150, 200, 120 plus 80, 200, 60 plus 140, 200. Worksheet number 11, subtopic word problem on addition. First one, a truck is carrying 4370 kg iron rods. Empty truck weighs 2050 kgs. What is the total weight of truck when carrying iron rods? Answer the following questions. First one, what information is given in the problem? Weight of iron rods and empty truck information is given. What is to be found in the problem? Weight of truck to be found in the problem. Which process do you follow to solve the problem? Addition process. Number 2 వచ్చేసరికి a truck is carrying 4370 kg iron rods. Empty truck weighs 2050 kgs. What is the total weight of the truck when carrying iron rods? How much is the weight of the iron rods? The weight of iron rods is 4370 kgs. How much is the weight of empty truck? The weight of empty truck is 2050 kgs. What operation should be used to find the weight of the truck when carrying an iron rods? We have to use to find out the weight of the truck when carrying iron rods is addition operation, means addition process. Problem number 3, a truck is carrying 4370 kg iron rods. Empty truck weighs 2050 kgs. What is the total weight of the truck when carrying iron rods? Weight of iron rods 4370 kgs. Weight of empty truck 2050 kgs. Total weight of truck when carrying iron rods. For getting total weight of truck, we have to add weight of iron rods, weight of empty truck. Means 4370 plus 2050. Total weight of truck when carrying iron rods is 6420 kgs. A truck is carrying 4370 kg iron rods. Empty truck weighs 2050 kgs. What is the total weight of the truck when carrying iron rods? From above solution, weight of truck when carrying iron rods is 6420 kgs. Worksheet number 12, subtopic word problems on addition. Problem 1. Jaya has rupees 4,500. Babu has 500 more than that of Jaya. How much money is with Babu? Amount with Jaya is rupees 4,500. Babu has 500 more than that of Jaya. Amount with Babu means 4,500 plus 500. Total amount 5,000. Then moving to second one. There are 265 boys in a school. 12 girls are more than that of boys in the school. Find the number of girls in the school. Number of boys in a school, that is 265. 12 girls are more than that of boys in the school. Number of girls in a school, 265 plus 12, 277. Problem number 3. In a mandal, there are 9,958 male voters. Female voters are 526 more than that of the male voters. Find the number of female voters. Number of male voters in a mandal 9,958. Female voters are 526 more than that of the male voters, means 9,958 plus 526. Number of female voters are 10,484. Problem number 4. Jahnavi travelled 625 kilometers. Govind travelled 19 kilometers more than that of Jahnavi. Find the distance travelled by Govind. Distance travelled by Jahnavi 625 kilometers. Govind travelled by 19 kilometers more than that of Jahnavi, means 625 plus 19. The distance travelled by Govind is 644 kilometers. Worksheet number 13, subtopic subtraction. Do the following. 9 minus 2, 7. 34 minus 13, 21. 500 minus 243, 257. 4,857 minus 2,856, 2,001. 5,678 minus 3,819, 1,859. Do the following. First one, 8 minus 2, 6. 39 minus 25, 14. 405 minus 206, 199. 3,050 minus 1,050, 2,000. 6,000 minus 2,000, 4,000. 7,864 minus 7,623, 241. Fill in the blanks with the suitable numbers. The missing numbers are 2,534, 1,710, 824. Subtraction on number line, vertical addition. Show the subtraction on number line. Already one is done for us. Second one, 50 minus 5. 50 minus 5 means 45. 45 on number line. Next, fill in the blanks. One number is given, 624. Minus, we have to write the missing number, that is 112. After subtracting 112, we will get 512 as final answer. Likewise, same 6,080 is given. After subtracting 2,060, we will get 4,020 as final answer. Here the missing number is 2,060. Do the following subtractions. 342 minus 289, 53. 6,028 minus 109, 5,919. 5,000 minus 5, 4,995. Write more subtraction facts. Already one is given for us, 25. 30 minus 5, we will get 25. 40 minus 15, 25. 50 minus 25, 25. 60 minus 35, 25. 25 minus 0, 25. 45 minus 20, 25. The second one, 100. 100 minus 0, 100. 105 minus 0, 100. 110 minus 10, 100. 120 minus 20, 100. 130 minus 30, 100. Worksheet number 14, subtopic word problems on subtractions. Sum of two numbers is 6,230. If one of them is 1278, find the other number. Sum of two numbers 6270, one number that is 1278. For getting second number, we have to subtract the first number from the sum of the two numbers. Then we will get the second number, that is 4952. Problem number 2. 4583 students appeared for SSC examinations in a mandal. If 100 students have failed, among them, how many students have passed? Number of appeared students 4583. Number of failed students 102. For getting passed students, we have to subtract the failed students from the total appeared students. Then we will get the number of passed students, that is 4481. Problem number 3. Annapurna has 9580. If she paid 5600 to buy blankets, how much money is left with her? Amount with Annapurna 9580. Amount she paid to buy blankets 5600. Remaining amount with Annapurna, that is 3980. We have to follow the subtraction process. Problem number 4. Suguna wanted to buy a cotton seed bag which cost rupees 5700. The government has given subsidy 1250 on cotton seeds. How much money does she pay to buy it? Actual cost of cotton seed bag, that is 5700. Subsidy amount given by the government on each bag 1250. Amount will be paid, means remaining amount. For getting total amount paid by Suguna, we have to subtract the subsidy amount from the total cost of seed bag, that is 5700 minus 1250. Total amount paid by Suguna, that is 4450. In a panchayat election, 1645 voters are polled in a village. If 107 votes are invalid among them, find the number of valid votes. Number of votes polled in elections 1645. Number of invalid votes 107. Number of valid votes. For getting number of valid votes, we have to subtract invalid votes from total polled votes, that is 1538. Worksheet number 15, subtopic word problems on subtraction. Problem number 1. To get 9500, how much we need to add 3650? Difference between 9500 to 3650 is 5850. So, for getting 9500, we have to add 3650. Means 5850 need to add 3650 to get 9500. Problem number 2. The capacity of water tank is 1000 liters. If there is 658 liters of water already in the tank, how much water is needed to fill the tank? Capacity of a water tank 1000 liters. Quantity of water in the tank 658 liters. Quantity of water is needed to fill the tank, means we have to subtract the quantity of water in the tank, that is 658 minus 1000. Then we will get needed to fill the tank, that is 342 liters. Valli wanted to buy a freezer. Its cost is 9500, but Valli has 8250. How much amount is needed to buy the freezer? Cost of freezer 9500. At present amount with Malli, that is 8250. Required amount to be needed to buy the freezer, that is 1250. Problem number 4. An auditorium has 1000 chairs. 658 tickets are sold. Calculate the tickets that are yet to be sold to fill the auditorium. Capacity of an auditorium, that is 1000. Tickets are sold 658. Tickets that are yet to be sold 342. Govardhan has to travel 549 kilometers. He travelled 532 kilometers on train. Calculate the distance yet to be travelled. Govardhan has to travel distance 549 kilometers. Distance travelled on train 532 kilometers. Distance yet to be travelled 17 kilometers. Means distance travelled on train, we have to subtract from Govardhan has to travel distance. Worksheet number 16, subtopic word problems on addition and subtraction. Problem number 1. Find the sum of 3850 and 1675. Subtract 2580 from the total. Sum of 3850 and 1675 is 5525. Difference of 5525 to 2580 is 2946. Distance అనబడింది అక్కడ difference. Murthy had 1950. His mother gave 1200 on his birthday. He spent 2150 for shoes. How much money is left with him? Amount Murthy had 1950. Amount given by his mother 1200. Total amount at Murthy. By adding these two, total amount at Murthy 3150. Amount is spent for shoes rupees 2150. By subtracting 2150 from the total amount at Murthy, then we will get money left with Murthy, that is 1000. Problem number 3. A high school strength was 652 if 113 students were admitted in 6th class in this year and headmaster issued 101 TCs for 10th class students. Find the number of students in the school right now. Strength of high school 652. Number of students admitted in 6th class this year 113. Number of students 765. Number of TCs issued by HM. We have to subtract number of TCs issued by HM 101 from number of students. Then we will get present strength, that is 664. Problem number 4. A train started with 1250 passengers. If 65 passengers entered into the train and 74 passengers got down from the train in next station, how many passengers are there in the train? Strength of train at first, that is 1250. Number of passengers entered in the train in the next station, we have to add 65 to 1250. Then we will get total passengers in the train, that is 1315. Number of passengers got down in the next station, we have to subtract 74 from the 1315. Then we will get number of passengers in the train, that is 1241. Means 1241 number of passengers at present in the train. Worksheet number 17, subtopic multiplication. Do the following. First one, 63 into 2 126, 48 into 4 192, 48 into 67 3216, 78 into 89 6942, 567 into 5 2835, 508 into 56 28448, 980 into 54 52920, 480 into 90 43200. Fill in the blanks. 11250, 125, 90, 25, 5, 18. Subtopic multiplication with 10, 100. Fill in the series 10, 100. Do the following multiplications. One is done for us. 37 into 4 means 30 plus 7. 37 into 4. 120 plus 28, 148. Do the following multiplications. 7 into 10, 70. 6 into 10, 60. 6 into 200, 1200. 34 into 10, 340. 75 into 100, 7500. 37 into 300, 11100. Fill the series 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Second series 200, 400, 800, 1600, 3200, 6400, 12800. Next one, 24. 2 into 12, 24. 3 into 8, 24. 4 into 6, 24. 6 into 4, 24. 8 into 3, 24. 12 into 2, 24. 36. 1 into 36. 36. 2 into 18, 36. 3 into 12, 36. 4 into 9, 36. 6 into 6, 36. Next one, 64. 64 into 1, 64. 32 into 2, 64. 8 into 8, 64. 16 into 4, 64. ఇది మనకి పార్ట్ 2 వర్క్షీట్ 10 నుంచి 18 వరకు ఉన్నటువంటి వర్క్షీట్లు ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో వాటికి సంబంధించినటువంటి వివరణ. ఐ హోప్ మీ అందరికీ కూడా అర్థమై ఉంటుందని అనుకుంటున్నా. ఛానల్ కనుక ఎవరైనా మొదటిసారి చూస్తూ ఉంటే ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. అట్లాగే వీడియో కనుక నచ్చితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. దీనికి కంటిన్యూషన్ పార్ట్ 3 కూడా ఉంటుంది. అన్నీ ఒక దాంట్లో ఉంటే వీడియో లెంగ్త్ ఎక్కువవుతుందని, లెంగ్తీగా ఉంటుందని చెప్పేసి రెడ్యూస్ చేసి పార్ట్ 1, పార్ట్ 2, పార్ట్ 3 అని చెప్పేసి డివైడ్ చేయడం జరిగింది. కాబట్టి పార్ట్ 3 వీడియోలో మళ్ళీ కలుసుకుందాం. అప్పటి వరకు టేక్ కేర్, హ్యావ్ ఎ గుడ్ డే.